guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be decluttering this and getting rid of some of these pieces. I have not really did any jewelry shopping in like 5 years, except maybe grabbed a few chokers. So a lot of this stuff is outdated and we're just gonna get rid of it. So I think I'm going to start with all the bracelets, which are right there and right there. Okay, so I've gotten rid of all this top section. I've cleared these off. Got rid of some of these big bangles. They were kind of like cheap. I bought them when I was like 18, and I got rid of this one. I just don't see myself wearing it. And then I got rid of all these little bracelets. I just don't ever wear them, and they kind of get on my nerves when I do. And a couple of the little bead ones. So I've gotten rid of pretty good bit so far. So I'm now working on my necklaces, and for some reason the video got deleted. So we are working on that. I'm putting all my long ones down here and my chokers up here. And I actually have them all laid on the floor right here. Y'all, I did it. I have no idea how, but I did it. Except it's a little screwed up right there. But I don't even care. I did it. Oh, and I almost dropped it. Okay, let me chain it before I mess it up again. To chain. Okay, so I've decided, y'all haven't even been able to see what I've been doing. I have decided that the silver pieces are going to go like these three, and then the gold pieces are going to go here, except this black magnetic thing that's driving me crazy is right there. So yeah, that's what we've been doing. So if anyone has a way of storing chokers that's better than hanging them on there, because I really don't like them on there like that, let me know in the comments section. Also, I want to point out this necklace, this one, which is messed up, and this one I've had since I was in 7th grade. So that was like 16 or 17 years ago. Like, look how tarnished they are. I low-key want to keep them just because they're kind of sentimental, but I don't think I am. I think I'm just gonna keep this one. It's not as tarnished as bad, but it still is. I don't know, maybe I can get like spray paint, like silver spray paint, and like respray it or something, because I really love this necklace. It used to be one of my favorites. But isn't that crazy? Like, I'm 28 now, and I had these in at least 7th grade. The only reason I know that I had these then is because I had went to my friend's house and we took a bunch of pictures, and it was the first time ever at her house. And yeah, we took like, and I met her in 7th grade, so like I know that's when. But I had these two necklaces on, and she had this one on, so they're at least that old. So yeah, that's kind of crazy for me. But yeah, okay, back to organizing. After I finish hanging up my necklaces, which I'm almost done, I'm gonna work on my earrings. So I am finished, and I do feel like I kind of lied to y'all because I do buy earrings sometimes if I see them for cheap. Mostly they're hoops or like these, I guess I bought recently sometime. I don't know. I was gonna color code this, but I don't think I'm going to. I think I'm just gonna leave it like that. And these are my absolute favorite earrings. I wear them all the time. And since I don't have a bunch of bracelets, I put my chokers right down here. Just so I can see them better because I didn't like them up there. So yeah, I have a couple pair of earrings that I'm missing the other one. This I can throw away. And I'm gonna put my rings up here, even though I really don't have any, and that's just like miscellaneous stuff. So yeah, I am finally complete. Yay. This whole entire bag is what I got rid of. That's insane. Insane. Like most of this, I haven't even wore. I don't know why I bought it. I guess I just thought I had to have it. Now it is all clean and pretty and organized. So I think next I am going to work on my closet. Thanks for watching.